What's up, dog? It's Meissner's plexus, what's Aurbach's plexus, what's Mesentric plexus. Chill. I'm here. Be done with the enteric nervous system in 5 minutes. Let's go! Welcome, guys, to this module on enteric nervous system. So basically, we're going to start with the fact that enteric nervous system has two nerve plexuses. Woohoo! Okay, now this is where the entire story is cooking. We have to focus here for 2 minutes and then we'll be done with this topic entirely. So first of all, the enteric nervous system has, okay, again, two nerve plexuses. The first one is submucosal plexus and the other one is mesenteric nerve plexus. Now, the submucosal nerve plexus is also known as the Meissner's plexus and the mesenteric nerve plexus is also known as the Auerbach's plexus. Now, there is a trick to learning this. See, in submucosal, there is an A present. So always remember the where A is present, that one is named as that's synonymous to Meissner's plexus. Whereas in mesenteric nerve plexus, we can see there is no A alphabet here. So this will be to compensate for that missing alphabet. We have synonymized it with Auerbach's plexus. Now, what does what do these plexuses do? So the submucosal plexus controls secretion and blood flow. Amazing. And the mesenteric nerve plexus plays a major role in control of GI motility. Please remember this. We'll dwell on this in a minute. Now look at this diagram. So now let's go back to our first layer and let's try to recall how many layers there are in our gut. So basically there are four layers in our gut. The first one is mucosa, the second one is submucosa, the third one is muscular layer, and the fourth one is serosa. This is the last layer. The mucosa contains two tiny, not tiny, but there are two sublayers in it. The first one is mucosa itself, and the second one is right here, which is called as the muscularis mucosa. Now, the submucosa has lymph vessels in it, has portal venule in it, and has an artery in it, has arteries in it. After that, we come to the muscular layer, the third layer. Now this layer has two sub layers in it. The first one is the circular muscle, goes around in a circle, and the second one is the longitudinal muscle layer. Now, where do these nerve plexuses fit in this layer? So the first one, the submucosal plexus, as the name suggests, falls over the submucosa. It falls over the submucosa and just beneath the muscularis mucosa, as we can see over here. And the mesenteric plexus or the Auerbach's plexus falls inside the muscular layer, and to be specific, between the circular muscle layer and the longitudinal muscle layer. So it can really contract both of these muscles suited to the situation. Now I have a question for you all. Which plexus is involved in achalasia and Hirschsprung's disease? The plexus that is involved in achalasia, as we can see, the plexus that is controlling the muscles, the muscular layer, is the mesenteric plexus. So for achalasia or achalasia, whatever it's called, it's the A for achalasia and A for Auerbach's. And the Hirschsprung disease involves both Auerbach's, or also known as the mesenteric plexus, and the Meissner's, or also known as the submucosal plexus.